Lama stood at the river of forgetting, a mystical place where every crossing meant a memory lost forever. Profound choice lay before her. She gazed at her reflection, a hint of sadness and deep contemplation in her big, expressive eyes. The weight of the past was heavy. Yet a quiet resolve settled within her heart. She knew the cost, the fading of a cherished past, but also the promise of renewal. With each step through the shimmering currents, a memory gently slipped away, replaced by a profound sense of calm and acceptance. The past receded, not with sorrow, but with a quiet understanding. A new path was unfolding, bathed in the soft glow of dawn. On the far bank, a peaceful smile graced her face. She understood that sometimes letting go is the truest path to new beginnings.